DoorDash has streamlined the mobile number change process for 2025, making it more user-friendly while maintaining strong security protocols. Your mobile number is crucial for your DoorDash account. It serves as your primary security identifier, protects your payment information, maintains your background check integrity, and enables essential communication for deliveries and support. There are two main ways to change your mobile number in the DoorDash Dasher app. The first method is changing your number directly in the app, which works great if you still have access to your old number. The second method involves contacting customer support when you can't access your old number. Let's walk through the in-app method step by step. To change your number in the app, first navigate to Account, then Personal Information. Select Edit next to your current phone number, enter your new number, and verify it using the OTP codes sent to both your old and new numbers. The verification process uses one-time passwords or OTPs for security. The OTP verification process first sends a code to your old number to verify your identity, then sends another code to your new number to confirm you own it. Once both codes are entered correctly, your number is updated across all DoorDash services. If you can't access your old number, you'll need to contact DoorDash customer support. You can contact DoorDash support through in-app chat by calling 1-855-973-1040 or via email through the Dasher portal. You'll need to provide your full name, Dasher ID, the last four digits of your Social Security number, and the email address associated with your account. Remember, your mobile number is a critical security component of your DoorDash account. Whether you use the in-app method or contact support, the process is designed to protect your account while making necessary updates as smooth as possible. When you don't receive your OTP code, there are several common causes and solutions to try. Network delays are the most common cause. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before requesting a new code, as carrier networks can experience temporary delays. Other common causes include carrier blocking of automated messages, full phone storage, or international number restrictions. OTP codes typically expire after 10 minutes. If your code has expired, simply request a new one and enter it immediately. Different carriers have specific issues. Verizon may delay delivery during high traffic periods, while T-Mobile sometimes blocks short codes. To keep your account secure, never share your OTP codes with anyone. Complete verification in a private location and log out of shared devices after making changes. DoorDash may require additional verification if they detect red flags like multiple recent number changes, geographic inconsistencies, or unusual login patterns. Remember these key troubleshooting steps. Wait for network delays, check your spam folder, ensure strong signal, and always keep your verification process secure and private.